Lesson is about subjects and predicates of a sentence. Okay, and I'm going to start by giving you the definitions for the word subject and predicate. A subject is who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate is the part of the sentence that's telling me something about my subject or the subject of the sentence. Okay, and take it as a rule that every complete sentence has the two parts. It has a subject and a predicate. Okay, and I've written the word subject in red and the word predicate in green, and then I've gone ahead and written an example using those two colors so that you can see it visually. Okay, that your sentence contains, your complete sentence contains the two parts. Okay, first comes the subject, which is Jane and her sister, and then comes the predicate, run after each other in the garden. Okay, and the subject is the red part, Jane and her sister, and the predicate is the green part, run after each other in the garden. Okay, and to find my subject, okay, first I look for the verb, and in this case it's the word run, and then I ask, who is the sentence about? Who's running here? Okay, Jane and her sister are the ones that run. Okay, so they are my subject. And then after I found my subject, I say, okay, what are Jane and her sister doing? Okay, in this sentence they run after each other in the garden, and that is your predicate. Okay, and then I've written another example here, but this time I haven't used color coding. Okay, we made popcorn in the kitchen. Okay, what is my verb? My verb is the word made. That's my verb. Okay, and who is the sentence about? The sentence is about we. Okay, so we here is my subject. Okay, and then what is the sentence telling me about the subject? What is the sentence telling me about we? What did we do? Made popcorn in the kitchen. So there you go. That is your predicate. Okay, we is your subject, and made popcorn in the kitchen, that is your predicate. Subject, predicate, subject, and the rest of the sentence is your predicate. And they are also known as complete subject and complete predicate. Okay, and this is again another example to show you how we find the subject. Let's look at the example here. My friend asked me a question. What's my verb? It's the word asked. Verb or action word, that's the word asked. That's the doing word. Okay, who asked me? Who's doing the asking? Okay, my friend is asking, so my friend is my subject. Okay, and then again, to find the predicate, after I know my subject, which is my friend, okay, I say, what did my friend do? Asked me a question, so that is my predicate. Okay, the predicate is the doing part, and the subject is the naming part. Okay, who the sentence is telling me about. And another rule you should know is usually the subject will be the beginning of your sentence and the predicate will be the second part. So the first part of your sentence will always be the subject, and the second part will always be the predicate. And since we're going to be studying simple predicates and compound predicates later on, so we will go through these rules another time in a future lesson. Thank you for now. Bye-bye.